Another beautiful
Yes,
day.
yes, the boys on their little road trip.
Hey. Yo guys. Right, so I'm going on a hike.
Hikey. We've arrived and it's freezing cold. Doesn't look it. It looks like a beautiful day.
Oh, what a lovely
But
house.
ooh,
What's new with the FYP?
yeah, we are here. It looks lovely. It is lovely. It is lovely. It's just a little bit cold, but we'll warm up.
I'm a bit chilly, I'm a bit cold, but it's alright because I'm
And that
cold.
really-
Like that.
Get. So we're at a place called Springbrook here in Australia, and it is crazy. We're 10 minutes into the hike, we've got 2 hours left, so we need to get a move on. Mate. Right people, so me, Billy, Taylor and his missus Ashley, I've gone for a walk. A bit of a hike, it's about an hour and a half drive to a place called Springbrook. I'll put a map on screen now of whereabouts it is, I haven't got a clue, but so far, so good. It is absolutely stunning. If you lot know me, you know that I love being outside in nature. Me and the boys love going up mountains in the UK, exploring, camping, all that good stuff. So you can imagine how I'm feeling in this space. This is my element, I love it. I was talking to Billy on the way here, there'll be plenty more camps on the way in Australia. Go out with the hammocks, spend a few days out in nature, and just go off grid, no phones, nothing. But yeah, so far so good. I'm loving it. But I don't know if you lot can hear that waterfall in the background. We saw a bit of it earlier, and I think that's where we're walking to now. But you can tell this forest is crazy. But if you guys want to see more content like this, travel, exploring, outside in nature, hiking, camping, that sort of stuff, then let me know and I'll be definitely doing it. Definitely out for doing it soon. Look, there's a little bit of the waterfall, looks beautiful. So far, it's been pretty easy. It's been following a path, a bit rocky, a bit muddy some places, but it's doable.
Love it.
This is my element, I love this.
I love it. Hey guys, reporting live here from the jungle. You know, let me fucking tell ya, being in the sticks is the place to be. You're all on your fucking phones scrolling on TikTok.
Yep.
You need to get out here more and take a breath of real fresh air.
You're whatever. Every single Sunday.
Every Sunday, baby.
It's healthy, it's fun. It's healthy,
And it's fun.
it's fun. Healthy.
It's an active day. Complete the hike.
Yeah, I love days like that.
Active days.
Imagine, right, just being inside on your bed, scrolling, going on Tinder, like, fuck that, fuck them who.
The real hoes are out here.
Right. Come on then. I love the fact it's a lot more of a hike, as you can see. It's not just walk up to the waterfall and there it is, you've got to work for it. It's lovely. Look at all these trees. You know I'm a tree surgeon, they're huge. Little run through the forest. I was just saying to Billy that I want to do some mountain runs with him, like trail running up a mountain. We'll have to find somewhere where we can do it, but we'll get the proper mountain shoes, camel-backed. Being out in the trees and nature is the best thing you can do to have a clear, positive mind, along with eating healthy, drinking plenty of water, going to the gym, which is why I love my job, because every single day I'm outside in forests, in trees, a new place every day. And then we're at another waterfall. I think this is number 2, maybe 3, I don't know. Number 2.
Woo. Big cold.
I think the hike is coming to an end now, but I'll definitely be back because this place is beautiful. None of us are in the gear for it, but it's made for an amazing day out. So this has been the Springbrook Trail / waterfall. I'm a little bit out of breath because I've been running, but if you lot have enjoyed, hit the like button and comment where you want me to go next, around the Gold Coast area first, and then we can start going a bit further afield down the line. But I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed just being out and about. I hope the camera has done it justice. Like, it probably hasn't, because the views are just incredible, and unless you've got a proper cinema camera, you won't capture it. But you've seen the waterfalls, you've seen the trail, the beautiful trees, the sun has been out. I think it's been the perfect temperature. When you get walking, you get hot. As you can see, I'm in just summer gear and I'm at a perfect temperature, although my fitness needs improving because I am huffing and puffing all over the place. But who cares? Me and Billy are going gym later, which is all that matters. This is our cardio, and then the gym later. This has been an incredible little trip. I love being outside. I love mountains. I love camping. I love forests. All of it I love. Me and the boys used to go camping all the time, probably once a week, if not once every 2 weeks in the UK. We had the New Forest. I'll put some clips up on screen now of some of the campsites we've done. We've done lots of hammock camping, lots of tent camping up in the mountains, just all sorts, exploring. It's just, I love being outside. But it's definitely something I am going to be doing here in Australia. Once I've settled in a little bit more, I'm comfortable with my work, I've got my own place out here in Australia, hopefully with the other 2 boys, and that is when we can properly start looking at going camping, setting up my hammock. And if that's something that you want to see, stick around, subscribe, because I will be posting that content soon. There's a YouTuber called Mav. I don't know if any of you lot have seen him, but he's an American YouTuber. I love his content, and he goes camping in his pickup truck and goes exploring around different places in his truck, and it's something I want to do here in Australia. Obviously I need to get a truck first, and a few little camping bits, but that is where I want this channel to sort of head down. Travel, exploring, camping. I love it. So that is no joke.
That's crazy.
And that is the little trail run, hike, explore done.